Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Yorkshire Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, go to your default browser and search Yorkshire Bank Login. After you make search, you'll find personal, business and private banking under Yorkshire Bank. Just click here and click on Login, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Click on Login. Now, as you can see, internet banking has been moved to Virgin Money Internet Banking. You will be redirected to that page. From here, you just simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your username or email, and after that click continue and enter your password and log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.